This is Balboa Island during the holiday season. Balboa Island is located in Southern California near Newport Coast in Orange County. Golf carts are a thing here. Lots of people own them, and you can see them parked in spots around the island as well. The homes here are very expensive, but they're also pretty small and they don't have much privacy. For example, so this home apparently won the Balboa Home Island contest. I think they have a walking tour where you can go walk around the different homes, and they are one of the winners. Now, no island would be complete without some water around it. And a beautiful sunset. You've got a little bit of beach here as well. We're coming upon one of the most famous houses in Balboa Island. You're about to see why.
Like, you gotta meet the teddy bear lady.
Yeah, hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you? Merry Christmas.
What inspired you to do this?
To decorate for Christmas?
Well, like this, with the bears.
I collect bears, and so it just is fun, and each year it just gets bigger and better and more collected. So.
How many do you have?
You see a sign inside?
Oh, 5470, okay.
That's my total count of all my plush bears, not wooden bears, not blow-up bears like these, not the bears on the roof, not that bear, just stuffed bears.
And about 3,000 are Christmas, but the rest are Valentine's, Halloween, Thanksgiving,
Wow.
4th of July.
Oh,
And
wow.
then some are just generic teddy bears.
Summer multi-year.
You bring so much cheer to so many people.
How about in your bed? Is there a bear or two? Or
There's actually just 3 on the bed at the moment, but then they come off at night.
yeah, you gotta use it.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
What are all their names?
Let's start
You
with
know
that.
5,470 names.
John, Michael,
Probably not.
James.
Yeah, start with
Gabrielle.
A, and maybe you get 100, and even if you did that, you'd only have 2,600.
And you
Now,
guys
did
won?
win this year?
Yeah, we have a winner then. And a winner. There's a sign over there too. Yeah.
So that's the lights winner. There's
That's from the boats. That judge is from the boats. That one, by the plumeria, is judged by the land.
the inside the house or just
No,
outside?
Outside only. On the outside.
Cool.
Yeah.
I swear this bear upstairs keeps moving, but I keep missing him when I'm trying to film it.
Oh,
Ah, there he is. This house has 5,470 bears decorated within it. How long did it take to decorate all this?
She decorates the whole house, so she starts in September doing the rooms that like aren't shown, and then after Thanksgiving hits, like she concentrates on the outside.
Wow.
But it takes her a couple
months.
full weeks. Yeah,
Oh,
I mean
wow.
a couple months, but you know, a day here, a day there.
Yeah.
But overall, probably a good month.
Yeah, wow. So it sounds like they have at least 2 different types of awards. One of the awards is people go by in boats and then they judge the houses they see from the boat based on the lights and decoration. The second award is they come closer, and she said it's about the land. So it looks like she won both of those awards, which is not really a surprise after seeing it. We have another winner here, clearly. What is this?
I don't know, just somebody left random books. Play solitaire, Methodist hymnal, which is pretty cool.
You guys won the Best Santa Award?
Oh, totally.
So you can take ferries from one part of the island to a different part of the island, and yes, you can get in your car while you're taking the ferry. Flashing lights. And in case you're wondering, no, not all the houses have amazing decorations.
This one is too nutcrackery.
What do you rate it?
This one is 6. 6. It's a bit much.
I like that. That's cute.
A bit much. Is that a real person? Should we touch? Is it real? He's gonna jump at you, careful. It's a real person, I can sense their energy, I can sense it. Yes, it is.
Oh, it's not real.
Really?
Let's take a picture.
Oh, okay, yeah, let's
I was so scared. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah.
It was scary.
Are you sure?
So I saw this. I'm like,
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's fake, okay.
Good job, Kareem.
Yeah, sit here, sit here.
sit here.
You're a sour one, Mr. Grinch.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
When you know when I belong. How did I do?
Awesome.
Look at this sand castle. Wow. It's a bear. Is that a bear or Santa? Is that a bear or Santa?
I think it's a mouse.
You think so? Its eyes are too big.
I don't know.
Wow, check that out, huh? This is a home with like zero privacy.
Maybe there is one.
Especially with this guy. Everybody can see what you're doing there. You're cooking naked. Everybody's gonna see it. All right, we actually found Santa Claus. Check it out. Oh, he can hear us. Wow. Are they free? Oh, thank you.
We also have cookies for $1, hot cocoa for $3.
Okay.
Do you take Venmo?
I take that knife.
You take Venmo?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is there extra fee for Venmo or no?
Fire station's allowing us to do here. We're actually removing trash from the sea.
Is this you?
That's Liam. Yeah.
Are these homemade cookies?
No, so what happens we were planning on to, but we ran out of time and dough.
Time and dough. Yeah.
Time and dough.
Second time here. Yeah.
Where does the money go to?
Yeah. Liam, tell them all about
See,
it.
so what is happening is half of our profit money, we've already got the investors' money back, so all of this money is our profit money. Half of that will be going to Team C's, where every dollar you donate, a pound of
This
trash
is
comes
their
out of the ocean.
pitch deck.
Oh,
So
wow.
half of it, if you buy, will be going
What they were
to
expecting
Team
to
C's.
raise, but their investors actually donated.
And
too
can you
much
tell us
money,
more
so-
about Team
We
C? What
raised
is
about
that?
600.
What do they
Trying to
do?
raise about
So like I said, every dollar donated, a pound of trash comes out of the ocean.
Oh, for volunteers? Do volunteers do that work?
Yes, like a bunch of YouTubers do it, like, and they also have like a robotic boat that cleans it up. So
Oh, very
like a
cool.
lot of people.
And you have investors?
Yes, I have investors.
Oh, wow.
Investors, yeah.
Okay, so it's
Oh, wow.
And then for the hot
Asked for
chocolate,
123,
Okay,
and
thank
we
you.
got 400.
Wow. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
See you on Shark Tank, yeah?
Oh, this is another winner here.
I mean, they cannot sit outside.
And this one doesn't get as much, play. Yeah, because it's not on the main street. Whoa, what's this? Wow, how does this happen?
From up there.
Oh.